Let's take a look to determine which relationships are functions and which relationships are not functions. So a function, every input has exactly one output. Another way to say this is there are no repeated x values with different y values. So for this, I've got an x value of 1, an x value of 2, 4, and -3. There are no repeating x values. There might be repeats to the y values. Looks like 5 shows up twice there. That doesn't matter. I'm really only looking at the x here. There's no repeated x. So I would say this is a function. There are no repeated x values. Every input has exactly one output. Let's look at another example. 1, 5, 2, -3, 1, 2, -3, 6. Now this one's a little bit different because I do have a repeated x value. The x value of 1 shows up twice. If this had the same y value, if this was 2 and 2, then that would almost be like someone wrote this down too many times. So if it's the same y value, that's not that big of a deal. But this is clearly two different points that both have the same x value. So x equals 1 has two different outputs. It has an output of 5, and it has an output of 2. So I would say this is not a function. The reason why I'm saying this thing is not a function is there are repeated x values. If every input has exactly one output, I say it's a function. If there are no repeated x values, it's a function. If I am seeing that repetition, like this 1, 5, 1, 2 business, it's not a function. So that's the big difference when you're looking at relationships.